In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Instagram through Hootsuite. Navigating the fast-paced world of social media can often feel like a Herculean task, but tools like Hootsuite have made it easier to manage multiple accounts and engage with your audience effectively. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet often overlooked feature of Hootsuite: tagging someone in your Instagram post. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Hootsuite website. You can find it by typing hootsuite.com into your browser's search bar. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface of Hootsuite, a platform that prides itself on streamlining social media management. Your next step is to log into your account. Locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing the dashboard from where all the magic happens. It's crucial that you've already created an account. If not, now's the time to hit pause on this video and sign up. Once the login page is displayed, you will need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the same email you used to sign up, as this is key to gaining access to your account. After you've inputted your email address, move on to the next field, which requires your password. Entering your password is like unlocking a door to endless possibilities. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. This action will take you directly to your Hootsuite dashboard, a centralized hub where you can manage all your social media activities. From your Hootsuite dashboard, you're going to create a new post. Look for the option that says Create a Post. This is where you begin crafting the message you want to share with your audience. Remember, effective social media management is about engaging with your audience in meaningful ways. Before you can proceed, Hootsuite will ask you to select a social account where your post will be published. At this juncture, we're focusing on Instagram, but let's address a common hiccup. Sometimes you might not have your Instagram account linked to Hootsuite. No need to worry, let's quickly fix that. Click on Add a Social Account. This option allows you to integrate additional social media accounts into your Hootsuite dashboard. Following the on-screen instructions to add your Instagram account is simple and straightforward. This process is crucial for ensuring that you can manage your Instagram content directly from Hootsuite. Once your Instagram account is linked, you're ready to dive into the crux of today's tutorial: tagging someone in your post. Start by writing a captivating caption for your post. This is where your creativity shines. Engage your audience with compelling text that grabs their attention. Now for the main event, tagging someone. To tag someone in your caption, you'll need to use the @ symbol followed by the username of the person or account you wish to tag. It's similar to how you'd tag someone on Instagram directly, but you're doing it through Hootsuite. Be precise with the username to ensure you tag the correct account. It's a small detail, but it matters greatly for engagement and interaction. And let me give you an additional tip here. Typing name to mention someone is not only about sparking a connection, but also about enhancing your post's visibility. When you tag someone, you're essentially notifying them of the mention, which can lead to them engaging with your post or even sharing it with their audience. This is a fantastic way to increase the reach of your content and foster a sense of community on your platform. Once you've crafted your caption and tagged the desired accounters, go ahead and finalize your post. Review everything to ensure accuracy. Believe me, it pays to double check. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, publish your post. Voila, you've successfully tagged someone on Instagram through Hootsuite. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to tagging someone on Instagram via Hootsuite. This technique is invaluable for social media managers and content creators looking to streamline their workflow while maximizing engagement on their posts. Remember, social media is about building connections, and tagging is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to do just that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on making the most of your social media management tools. Until next time, keep engaging and creating compelling content for your audience.